Welcome to the vlog. So today I'm doing the Suluada boat tour. So this cost me about 850 lira, which is around 45 Australian dollars, I think. And it's a full day tour. We go on a boat. We've been traveling in a van now for about an hour, I want to say. And then the boat tour, I actually don't know how long it goes for. Maybe hopefully 6 hours. We go to Suluada Island and then we go check out a couple of caves and a couple other beaches, so it should be good. Suluada means watery island in Turkish, so apparently it's really great for snorkeling. The water's really clear, so I'm really looking forward to it, so let's go. So we just spent some time on Suluada Island, which has been absolutely stunning. We actually swam out. I met some people and we swam out to the rocks out there, which is really nice because the beaches here are super packed. You can't really see, but down there is like incredibly packed with people. And yeah, the water is gorgeous. It's really nice to swim in. It's not really that many waves, and the coastline just looks freaking gorgeous. We were given lunch downstairs and could eat it anywhere on the boat, and we also did a little more swimming. Afterwards, we headed over to a cave and got the chance to take some pictures. Finally, we made our way to the last location and did some more swimming before heading back to shore. And this is the final stop. So it's just like another little swim spot. Super beautiful. There's no rocks to jump off, unfortunately, but that person's swimming down there. Really, really beautiful spot to swim. The water's so nice here. So all in all, as like a final trip wrap up, that was so much fun. I really had one of my best days in Turkey on the Suluada boat tour. It was so fun. Like, I met so many people, made so many friends out of it, and obviously that might not happen every single time for every single person, but I mean, you're stuck on a boat for like 6 to 8 hours with a whole bunch of people, so there's definitely the chance to meet some other travelers and get to know some people for the day. I'll put the TripAdvisor link down below, which is the link that I bought it from. It was definitely the best price. I think if you do book through hotels or booking agencies, they might try and sting you a few more dollars. So I mean, it's up to you wherever you want to book the tour, but yeah, I booked it through TripAdvisor, which I highly recommend. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Definitely stay tuned for more of my videos. I'm going to be posting loads more about my travels in the future and coming up, so please hit the subscribe button to stay updated, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.